Well, a classic piece of relatively modern Aynsley Pembroke, made probably in the 21st century. This, because it's a pattern that Aynsley were producing for over a long period of time, but they continuously updated or changed the moulds or shapes that they were making. And this is quite a decorative one with quite a bit of moulding in the actual design of this. It's a serving dish, fruit dish, could be used as either a decorative piece or a functional serving dish, because Pembroke was made for both tea services, dinner services, as well as quite a bit of decorative and ornamental ware. But this certainly could be used. Nice central block work, really nice bright colour combination there with the bluebird. And then in these sort of sections, which are sort of almost cut out with this moulded leaf rolled and a sort of fish scale moulding around the outer side, you've got further floral blocks of very nice, almost palpable transfer printed design. Don't think this has ever been used. Still got its Aynsley quality sticker on here from when it was sold new. And there's the Aynsley Pembroke fine bone china made in England. In modern blue. It's in mint condition. There's no condition notes or warnings on this at all. A fine piece, quite a large piece, just under 10.5 inches diameter, although it's very irregular with these deeply scalloped rims picking up that design in the moulding. So a nice and unusual piece. Don't think it's still in production, so it is a vintage collector's piece of Pembroke for ideal gift or somebody that's got a collection of Pembroke going. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.